In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly insert emojis in Microsoft Teams. If you want to make your messages feel a little more friendly, expressive, or clear, adding emojis in Microsoft Teams is a quick and easy way to do it. This is especially helpful in chats and conversations where tone can sometimes be hard to read through plain text alone. The good news is that there's a very fast keyboard shortcut you can use without needing to click around through menus. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and go to the conversation where you want to add an emoji. This can be a one-on-one chat, a group chat, or even a message area inside a channel. Once you're there, click into the message box so your cursor is active and ready for typing. That part is important because the emoji picker will insert the emoji wherever your cursor is currently placed. Next, press the Windows key and the period key at the same time on your keyboard. This opens the built-in Windows emoji panel. It's a small pop-up that appears on screen and gives you quick access to a wide range of emojis. This shortcut is useful not just in Teams, but in many other apps too, so it's a great one to remember if you often communicate through text. After the emoji panel appears, simply select the emoji you want to use. You can scroll through the available options or choose one that fits the tone of your message. As soon as you click an emoji, it will be inserted directly into your team's message. From there, you can continue typing your message, add more emojis if needed, or send it right away. This method is much faster than searching through built-in app tools, especially if you already know the kind of reaction or expression you want to include. One helpful tip is to use emojis thoughtfully. They can make messages feel warmer and more human, but in professional conversations, it's usually best to keep them relevant and not overdo them. A simple smile, thumbs up, or check mark can go a long way in making communication feel clear and approachable. And that's it. If you're in a conversation in Microsoft Teams, just press Windows plus period, then choose your emoji. It's a simple shortcut that can save time and make your messages more engaging.